Hello everyone, my name is Shruti. In our last video, we have learned about theme activation and installation, and for now my Ocean WP theme is active, and today we will learn about other topics. We will learn about the pages. So in our last video we have learned about the themes under appearance section. Today we will learn about the pages. Okay, so how you can create new pages, how you can delete pages, and how you can manage your pages we will learn. So from pages you can select all pages. You can see these are sample pages, so you can delete it, like you can select this trash, and from the other you can select the multiple pages at the same time also, and then you can apply trash. Means WordPress offers you a wide variety of options. You can do the same thing from the multiple places at the same time. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, now I'm going to add new pages. So let's click on add new. Add new, you will see this screen. Then I'm going to give title for my page, that is home page. Then you need to click on publish to save this page. This is my first page which I have created. Now we will create another page, add new. Then I will give named about to this page, and you need to publish this to save the page. And third page I'm going to create is services. I will create total 4 pages for now. Services, and you can again click to publish to save this. Then again I am going to create new page, that is contact us. I will give name contact us. Again I am publishing this. Now the 4 pages are ready. You can see here are 4 pages. Now we will add all our pages to the menu. Let me show you what are menus first. So I am just taking example of my website boffingoddess.com. You can see here these are menus. Company, products, these are pages which are coming under menu. So we will create a menu like this. So you can click on appearance. Under appearance you can check there are option menu. You can select the menus. Now we will give name to our menu. I am giving the name top menu here. Then you can select the pages. You can select the pages from the left side to add the pages in menu. So I am just selecting all my 4 pages to add. Then click on add to menu. You will check all the pages will come under this top menu. So with the drag and drop we can change the order of the pages. So I am just changing the order. Okay, next one. You can see the options here. Here is an option that is we can add these pages to the menu, but when we will create any new page, if we will click this option, the pages will automatically will be added in the menu bar. So you need to click this if you want to automatically add your new pages to the menu bar. Then these are locations. For now I am selecting top bar and main menu. These are locations of the menu bar, and I will let me explain this about the locations. So we will check our website first of all. You can check now. Here are our top menu, and here is our main menu. So there are 2 locations I already have selected. So you can see these 2 locations. You can select any location where you want to locate your menu. Under this tab you can change the name of your page, and also you can remove this particular item from your menu bar. You can manage all these things from under this tab. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Let me explain one thing to you. You can see recent post here. So how these posts are coming on your front page. So there are by default settings from where these posts are coming on your home page. So let me show you under tools, under settings. You can check your settings reading. I will explain all the settings one by one, but for now, I am just using this setting reading. You can click on this setting reading. Here you can see your latest post. Your home page is displaying your latest post, but you need to select a static page. And from home page, I am just selecting home page. Then you can save changes. Then you will see our home page will appear on this particular front page, your front page. Okay, so now I'm going to add data on this page. So let me open our home page, edit. I'm copying just data from here. You can write anything here. Just copying the data for now from this site to this home page, and for the sections and to create a beautiful pages I will teach you in the later videos. For now I'm just giving you the idea about how to create the pages and how to add the content on the pages. So I'm going to update it. You can click on update it, and then you can see here is your content. Okay, you can also add this images and all the things here, like you can click on plus. You can add image, paragraph, heading, gallery, list, anything you can add on your page, and we will use all these options and will design our pages when we will create our website. But for now I'm just giving you the idea on the basics of the WordPress. So we will meet in our next video. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me in comments. Thanks. Bye bye.